Did you know that over 90% of bad breath actually comes from bacteria in your mouth, not from the food you eat? Crazy, right? Bad breath, or halitosis, is a pretty common issue that can affect anyone. It's more than just a minor annoyance. It can really impact your social interactions and self-esteem. Imagine being too afraid to speak up in a meeting or chat with friends because you're worried about your breath. It's a lot more serious than people often think. Many people believe that bad breath is mainly caused by eating strong foods like garlic or onions. While these foods can definitely contribute to the problem, they're not the root cause. The truth is, bad breath often starts in the mouth, where bacteria feed on food particles and release smelly compounds. Poor oral hygiene is a major culprit, as is dry mouth, which can reduce the amount of saliva that helps wash away bacteria. Certain foods can make bad breath worse, but they're not the primary cause. For example, dairy products and sugary snacks can contribute to the growth of bacteria in your mouth. Underlying health conditions, such as gum disease, sinus infections, or diabetes, can also play a role. Even medications can cause dry mouth, which can lead to bad breath. The implications of chronic bad breath go beyond just social awkwardness. It can be a sign of underlying dental issues, like gum disease, which can lead to more serious health problems if left untreated. Proper oral care is crucial, not just for fresh breath, but for overall health. Brushing and flossing regularly, visiting your dentist for checkups, and staying hydrated can all help keep bad breath at bay. According to dental professionals, managing bad breath often comes down to simple changes in oral hygiene habits. For instance, one dentist noted, "Many of my patients have seen significant improvements in their breath just by paying closer attention to their oral health." Individuals who have successfully managed their bad breath often share similar stories of transformation through better dental care. To sum it up, bad breath is usually caused by bacteria in the mouth, poor oral hygiene, certain foods, and underlying health conditions. Addressing these issues is key to freshening up your breath and improving your overall well-being. Taking care of your oral health can make a huge difference in your confidence and quality of life. If you've struggled with bad breath, share your story with us in the comments below. We'd love to hear about your experiences and any tips that have worked for you. Also, be sure to check out our other video on oral health tips for more advice on keeping your mouth fresh and healthy.